Well, I used to get this brush to brush all the stain on my tiles, and now no more. And welcome Magiclean Stain and Mold into my bathroom. Hello, this is Jancy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce this product. So this product is used to remove those stubborn stains on the surface area that you couldn't remove. Yeah, just like example over here, you can use on the bathroom walls, floor, tiles, gates, washing basins, silicone pucks at shower door, drainage hole, shower curtains, and toilet bowl. So it is helped to remove the mold and stubborn stains in the bathroom. Yeah, it contains bridges and it can help to kill germs as well. And it is a Japan product, yeah, made in Japan. So it's a quite good product that help you to remove the stains without any scrubbing on it. Okay, so how to use it? This is the directions over here. You just turn the nozzle to open positions, okay, and then just spray directly on the stains, and then you can just wait for 5 minutes and then just use the water to rinse off. Yeah, it's very easy. And remember, after use it, you just turn the nozzle to close. If you don't know how to read the Chinese words over here, then you can just refer to the figures over here, the picture. Yep, you can see to use, you just need to lift the lever upwards to open positions, and after use, just turn the lever back to close positions. Yeah, and you can see there's words over here. This show the closed conditions, and if you want to open it, then you just turn that. Okay, that's the open positions. Okay, so I'm currently having this towel. You can see over here is a little bit yellowish color and the stains over here. And to compare, right, you can see this part is a little bit different with other parts. Okay, so the upper part is quite white and the lower part here is yellowish color. So let me try to spray some of these liquids over here, and then to see how. So currently I'm at the open positions. It's open already. Okay, so just spray on it. Let me try. Okay, just spray the amount that you think which is suitable. Okay, and then just leave it for 5 minutes. Then remember to turn this back to the close mode. Okay, so yep, wait for it for 5 minutes. Currently I can smell the bleach. Okay, let's wait and come back later. Alright, so now it's after 5 minutes, so let me rinse with the water. Okay, so okay, it's getting better. It's getting better compared to before, because when you see from the far comparisons, opposite is the white color part, and the lower side here, before I apply this on the yellowish part, currently is removed already. So as you can see here, there's no more yellowish color over here. Okay, so it's better compared to before. This is what I can say. Yep, so I think it's a great product as well. So maybe I can try to use on other place and see how effective is this. Alright, so let's move to the second part, which is toilet bowl. Yep, so as we know that toilet bowl have a lot of stains, and sometimes we are very hard to remove it even though we are using the tool to scrub it, and I'm going to try it using this. Okay, so let's try. Okay, let me open this first. Okay, remember this is the open positions. Okay, so I'm going to apply some on here. As you can see, it's quite dirty and it is yellowish color stains over here. So let me try to spray on it first. Okay. Spray some more. Okay, I think it's enough. Yep, just let it sit for 5 minutes as well. And the bottom as well, you can see a little bit stains above the water level. Let me try to spray. Okay, so now let's sit for 5 minutes. Okay, we'll be back after 5 minutes. Alright, so now 5 minutes has passed, and let's rinse with water and see what's the result. Oh, it's very good. You see, the stain has removed. Yeah, and before that was yellowish stains on it. Currently no more. See, compared to the other side, there's still yellowish color that I didn't apply, and this is the one that I have applied. How to say, it still remains a little bit yellowish stains, but maybe I need to apply it second time or third time to remove the stains. But it's better than I just scrub it, right? Okay, and let's see the bottom side. Alright, let me try to flush it. Let's see how's the result. Still a little bit more stain need to be removed, but it's better than before. Yeah. So let's move to the third part, shower area. You can see my shower area. Ta-da! Is very dirty, and you can see the floor is very, well, I can say this, yellowish stains remain on my towel all over the area. You know what? before I bought this Magiclean product, I used to scrub it very hardly every week just to remove these yellowish stains on it. Yeah, you can see it's very dirty. Oh my god. So I'm going to use a Magiclean and try to remove these all yellowish stains on my towel and the floor as well. And we will see how later. So let's start from this area, okay? Alright, so I've done spreading most of the area. Okay, and same, we wait for 5 minutes and come back later. So just now I have leave it for about 30 minutes because I want to let it to sit more longer and getting rid of all these stubborn stains. Okay, so let's try to rinse it with the water and see the result. Okay, so as you see, it removed the stains and no more seeing yellowish stain on the towel. Yep. Seems like it worked perfectly. If I leave it more than 5 minutes, like maybe you can just let it to sit for 30 minutes, it will get better result. Yeah, so you can see the overview over here. It's looking good. You don't see the yellowish stains. It worked perfectly. Well, I used to get this brush to brush all the stain on my towels, and now no more. And welcome Magiclean Stain and Mold into my bathroom. So thanks for all watching my video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!